Hi, welcome to our Les Paul build tutorial. Um, I already have our blueprint in and sized properly. I'm just going to go over everything I did. So I sized that properly. Here is our diagram. I have it open in a separate file so I can be looking at our dimensions. And I also loaded up a picture of what it's going to look like when it's completed. So this is the first guitar that we've done that has an arch top. So you can see here rounds off on the top. And this is really the first guitar that is going to be going into the three-dimensional area. All the other ones are just shapes with filleted edges. This one is actually going to be a three-dimensional object with an arch on it. So we'll get right into it. So this is going to be a two-piece model. We're going to have a block underneath that's flat, and then we're going to have an arch on top, as you can see here. This will be the flat piece, this will be the arch top above it. So I'm just going to get right into doing our outline. So it's going to be the same as our previous models here. Have a degree of 2. I'm just going to go around and do this quick. Alright, so I'm done the outline of the guitar. And this is going to use a different process than the past. So I'm going to go ahead and start another layer called pockets. And you'll see in later steps why we're going to do separate layers for the outline and separate layers for the pockets. So for this guitar, we have our volume control pockets here. We have a wiring channel that goes to our pickup selector. We have pickup pockets, neck pockets. Then we also have this little pocket here on the back, which is a really shallow pocket for a cover, and another shallow pocket that'll go right here. So I'm going to go ahead and trace these all right now. So our neck pocket, you can see here is the dotted line. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. It's kind of hard to follow where the pickup pockets are, but they're going to go around this centerpiece and then around this edge right here too. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so instead of tracing it again for this pocket, I'm just going to copy and paste it. So I'm going to select the curve, Command C to copy, Command V to paste it right on top. I'm going to drop that correct spot there. So that looks good. So we have a circle to do here, so I'm going to go from here to here. Sorry, gotta make it bigger than that. So I'm going to go just inside of this piece here. And now we have this long channel. So I'm going to use our rectangle tool. So it's a little off, but I can always tilt it after. Get there to make sure it's long enough. Select the curve, use the gumball tool. I'm just going to tilt that so it matches up. Drag it into the right place there. And drag it so it's all the way inside of this circle. Looks good. And we'll do our volume control pocket. And I'm going to leave this one here. This is for our input jack. We're going to do that afterwards with drills if we cut this one. So now I'm just going to scroll up here and I'm just going to outline these two pieces right here. that one there. This one here. Actually, I'm going to make this one smaller. Just the size of the switch there. Alright, so that's everything we need to do for the outlines on this. So we can go ahead and get rid of our background. I'm just going to drag these two a little closer to our model so we don't forget about them. Alright, so in the next video we're going to get right into doing our archtop surface.